Imagine waking up, grabbing your phone, and a polished, minimalist app tells you exactly how much money you'll have on a random Tuesday 3 months from now. Down to the cent. It feels like control. It feels like power. But in 2026, the apps Americans use to track their money have quietly evolved. They aren't just digital spreadsheets anymore. They are predictive behavioral engines. You think you're watching your money, but your money is watching you. Over the last few years, the personal finance landscape underwent a silent revolution. When the original giant, Mint, collapsed, millions of Americans were pushed into the wilderness. By 2026, a new oligopoly took over: Monarch Money, YNAB, Copilot, and Rocket Money. We invited these platforms into the most intimate corners of our lives. They know you bought a large iced coffee at 8:14 a.m. They know your net worth is tied up in a depreciating crossover SUV. Right now, tens of millions of Americans run their entire existence through one of these dashboards. Here is how the machinery actually operates. When you download one of these apps, you aren't just logging into a bank. You're authorizing a third-party aggregator, companies like Plaid, MX, or Finicity. They act as invisible pipes, siphoning your transaction data from thousands of scattered bank servers into a single hub. Once the data hits the app, artificial intelligence takes over. Take Copilot, for example. It doesn't just read a transaction, it runs it through machine learning models to instantly categorize and contextualize it. It learns your habits faster than you do. Then there's YNAB, you need a budget. It forces a philosophy called zero-based budgeting. Every single dollar you earn is assigned a specific job before you even spend it. It's the old cash envelope system disguised as financial enlightenment. Meanwhile, Monarch Money acts like a household CFO, merging your and your partner's accounts into a single, terrifyingly accurate view of your collective financial reality. But here is the uncomfortable math no one talks about. These apps are built to gamify financial anxiety. They sell peace of mind, but they operate on a subscription model. You are paying $10, $15, sometimes $20 a month to an app whose sole purpose is to remind you that you spend too much money. Think about the irony. To stop bleeding cash, you sign up for another recurring monthly charge. The hidden mechanism isn't just about categorizing your grocery bill. It's behavioral conditioning. When an app like Rocket Money automatically cancels a forgotten subscription, it often takes a cut of the savings. It creates a closed loop where the software profits from the very financial friction it promises to eliminate. The hype suggests that downloading a beautifully designed app will fix your finances, that AI-driven insights will magically make you wealthy. The reality? A dashboard is just a mirror. Seeing a gorgeous pie chart of your spending doesn't lower the cost of housing. A push notification warning you that you're over budget doesn't raise your wages. These platforms have perfected the art of tracking inflation, but they cannot cure it. They give you the illusion of wealth management while you are simply managing the slow decline of your purchasing power. Zoom out, and the stakes get higher. We are voluntarily centralizing our financial identities. By 2026, we've handed over a complete, unbroken timeline of our economic existence to private tech companies. Every impulse buy, every medical bill, every late-night panic purchase. This data is encrypted, sure, but we are trusting venture-backed startups with the kind of comprehensive economic intelligence that foreign governments dream about. These apps have successfully mapped the American wallet. They've made budgeting aesthetically pleasing. They've turned personal finance into a beautifully rendered user interface. But as you stare at your customized dashboard, watching the progress bars turn from green to red, you have to ask yourself, are you finally in control of your money? Or did you just pay for a premium subscription to watch it disappear?